worry a bit. Hit 7, 4, then asterisk. Is there a fire below right now? Is there something on fire? Oh, there is, isn't there? I don't think any of this room is supposed to be on fire. Please don't do what I think you're about to do. Please don't do it. Just pick up the phone and put it to your ear like a normal person. No! You did. Why did you do? Why did you do anyway? Why? Wait, hang on. We can still fix this. We can. I need you to find a blue panel marked downpour. It's turned off, right? I found a way to activate a fail-safe lever to the left of the oh no, wait, on the right of the keypad. Right, not left. Don't do the left. Okay, when the downpour panel lights up, I'm going to need you to pull it. When it lights up, not before. Any moment now. Now? Did we do it? I think we did it. The players left the mansion. I think we did it. I don't think it's supposed to still be raining, but you know, hey, come back down the stairs. You're done here. You don't need to spend any more time in this room. You can forget about the whole thing. This is it. You're done, sister. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You really helped out. We couldn't have made it through without you. We really couldn't have. Through here. Here we are again. So this is how it's going to work. You go in there. Just give me a moment. I will bring the lights up. And Dr. Langeskov, the tiger, and the terribly cursed emerald. Enjoy it. Oh, don't tell me you're getting cold feet now. Thank you so much. What? Another player? You've got to be kidding me. I can't do this again. Okay, this is really awkward. The fact of the matter is... Wait, hang on. Where are you going? Right, so, look, I need to talk you... Okay, that's the lighting room. You need to put... Okay, fine. This is wildlife prep. No, hang on. Hang on. There's a tiger in there. There's a tiger in there. That's... no, don't pull that. Wait, no. Oh.